Sometimes all you need is a big knife, and the Cold Steel Dimeco never disappoints with this huge, mega size knife over here. This one is basically Cold Steel with AD-10 by Dimeco together. They came up with this awesome design. And when you open this up, you understand what I mean by big. This thing is just huge when it comes to its size. And when it comes to knives, size does matter. And this knife all by itself is just amazing looking. Take a look at the entire profile of this knife. It is totally badass in every sense of the way. As you can see in the back over here, it has really nice looking gibberings all throughout the entire knife. Over here we have a fat looking blade that is included as well. And it has a control right in here. You can see that it starts really fat and then it goes to slim and control right at the top, exactly the way I like it. Now the next thing about this is it's easy for you to open this up with one hand in case you actually want to. So there is this thing that you can press here. Voila! I open it up. AD-10 Cold Steel. Oh wow, this is an interesting looking knife. Let's check it out and see if you should get this for yourself. First thing, right out of the box, you can see how big this knife actually is. Not only it is fancy, it's also well made. This is the S35VN made in Taiwan by Cold Steel. It's also something that AD-10 went ahead and worked with Cold Steel to create this awesome looking knife. This is definitely something that is aggressive and it is big knife for sure. As you can see over here, this is not a small knife. This is definitely one of those big knives. Now if you want to compare sizes over here, the Para 3 is really small compared to this knife. This is just huge in every sense of the way. Now if you want to go ahead and check out the blade size, this one is 3.5 inches of blade and about 5 inches altogether of actual handle. From top to bottom, it's about 1.5 of an inch on the thick side of this thing. Talking about thickness over here. Now to close it down, all you have to do is to press this just like this. And you close this all the way down. Talking about down, you can see how flat and slim this knife actually is, which is a good thing, all combined. Now, one of the ways for you to open this, there's actually two ways. One is to use your hand and open this up. Two is to use your finger over here and you can open it just like this. I really like the aggressive look in this knife. It is definitely made for big hands and for a lot of military, army, police, and ADC use as well. If you're looking for a heavy knife that you can do a lot of cutting with and you want to go ahead and use it, this is the knife for you to consider. It is big, the blade is very well made, and this is the S35VN steel. This one comes in the green edition over here. There's different editions that you can get for yourself. The handle over here is pretty good. Also, the carry clip is kind of tight, just for you to know that. You can also remove this in case you want to. There is an extra clip that is included in case this thing snaps open or breaks, or of course for any other reason. They did include an extra one. I'm not sure what it is. Now the knife itself is pretty sharp. I like the aggressive look to this. I really like the jippering and the top over here. There's also a safety location right over here where you can put another finger in case you want to do some close cutting with this knife. Now to close it up or to open it, there's two ways for you to do this. So to close it down, all you have to do is to press this right here and you close it. To open it up, pretty simple. Just grab and open and use your finger to go ahead and open this up for quick deployment. The knife itself, the grip is very nice. The looks of it is pretty badass. And I do think that if you're looking for a great looking knife that is big, that is huge, that is heavy, this is definitely the knife for you to consider. I like the aggressive look all throughout this thing. It's kind of big in the hand. You can see the size wise of this knife is pretty large. And the knife itself is kind of one of those knives that you're like, wow, right out of the box, I wasn't expecting something this big. But at the same exact time, if you need a big knife for you to use and you don't like the fixed blades, then this one is definitely the one for you to consider, because it looks really aggressive, it looks nice, and it looks totally badass as well. Now, for those of you who are kind of on the fence with this knife, I totally get it, because this is not for everyone. Specifically, the size of it is kind of big. If you need something much smaller, then yeah, go for it. But if you need something bigger, this is definitely the knife for you to consider. It definitely has a very nice, unique look to this. And because there's so many knives out right now that are much smaller in size, it's very nice to get a change where we have something really big, aggressive, that looks really, really badass. This is the knife for you. If you take this out, it's definitely going to make some statement around the dinner table, or specifically the hunting community as well. If you're a survivalist, this is definitely a knife for you to consider getting for yourself too. Now, the entire action over here is pretty good. Opens up pretty well right out of the box itself. The handle is pretty tight. It's pretty good. I mean, it's pretty solid. You're getting pretty good grip over here altogether. For the value, if you're getting this thing at a good price, it's definitely worth it for you to get. I like the looks of this. I really like the feel. I like the actual finish. There's a lot of things to like about this knife, and I like this thing. Look at how this interesting the look over here. For those of you who don't like the serrated edges, this is definitely something for you to consider as well. And the knife itself has this badass characteristics all throughout the entire knife. So definitely something for you to consider. Definitely something for you to think about. Unfortunately, it is made in Taiwan. For those of you who are looking for something made in Japan maybe, or United States, well, this is not it. Anything else? Well, there is a hole over here that you can go ahead and put your favorite handles in case you want to. And this thing right here is not, I don't think it's removable. I guess you can get a screwdriver and try to remove it in case you want to do that. Other than that, it's pretty interesting looking, and definitely is great for people who collect knives. If you're a knife collector and you're a fan of cold steel, then this one is a new one for you to consider and get, especially if you get it at a very decent price. And another thing about this is that this knife is pretty nice looking. I really like the whole entire looks of it, and I think you should consider this for a place in your collection, EDC, or everyday carry. It also includes this fat looking, really big pocket clip as well. To close it up, all you have to do is to press this down, and it goes all the way down. Yeah, this thing is badass. Now, the entire thing about this knife is how cool and awesome it actually looks. So if you're looking for an awesome knife that is amazing, this is the knife I would recommend for you to get. Now, just be careful as you use this, because this thing not only is badass, it is definitely not the knife you want to accidentally cut yourself with. So make sure you're careful, but this is definitely a knife that's going to speak volume, and it's going to be an awesome addition to your collection.